Hello everyone! Start off by drawing a circle and then at the top of the circle add two lines. It'll make for an opposite V shape. Add the eyes and then at the top of this add the bow. Add a little smiley face to it. Right underneath this add a little shape, that is a little dress shape. Add a little tie to it as well as such, or it can also be a scarf. Underneath it add a little skirt and then add legs to it as well. Add the little shoes, and once you are done with this, begin coloring it in. We have colored the skirt in blue as well as the cuffs of the top. Then color in the hair in black as well. We have colored in the scarf in the color red. Color the entire hair in the color black, and then you may color the ribbon in any color you may please. As for the face, use a light shade of pink or orange in order to color it in. Add blush as well. Now, draw this particular spiky-like shape and then underneath it, draw an ovular shape. You will be making an eggplant. For the top, color it in a shade of green. As for the bottom, use a shade of purple in order to do so. Color it all in except for a little slice of it. This will make it look like it is glistening. Next, draw an almost circular-like shape and then draw two ovular shapes underneath it. Add eyes and a cute little smile to it. In the top, add ears. Add the inner parts of the ear as well. Then add this cloudy-like shape to it and then line it with an inner layer as well. In the middle of it, add a little remote-like control setup. Add two sixes, one underneath the other. Connect one of the sixes to a 2. Then connect the 2 to the first 6 and then make a little snout out of it. This will be the snout of a dog. Add on the little tongue as well. Add on a collar and then add the feet. Add on the legs as well. Once you are done with this, lastly add on the tail. Then begin to color it in. We have chosen to color the tongue in pink and the collar in red. Next, draw an almost heart-like shape. However, once you reach the bottom, add two legs to it. This will be a tooth. Add little decayed portions to it and a little hole as well. In the side, add little hands to it. Next, add a little candy or a carrot to it, and then on one of the sides, add a little worm to it. This worm will look vicious. Add a twirly shape on one end and make a lollipop out of it. Next, take an orange marker and then make a D out of it as such and color it in. In the top, make another curved shape. At the bottom, add legs and then add tail at the back. Draw the rest of the body of this little dinosaur as well, that is the back fins, and then color it in accordingly. Add little polka dots and then at the top, add a cute little smiley face to it as such. For our next drawing, take a little pencil and then make a curved line as such. Line it with a darker shade. Make a little dewdrop-like shape. Make about 2 of them and make water out of this. We'll be showing you how to draw a girl, however, this is not it. In order to do so, start off by drawing the bangs portion of it. For this, make little L shapes. Underneath 4 L shapes, add the rest of the ovular shape of the head. Add ears to either side and then draw long hair alongside it. Add the little face to it and then add a little smiley face. Underneath this, add the neck. Then add the rest of the dress and then color it in as you please. Thank you for watching.